all my beautiful people in the house. This is your girl, your one and only, guys. It's another amazing, fabulous day, y'all. Come along with me. Let me be showing you guys what happened here in my garden. Guys, I still can't believe what I'm seeing. Like, seriously. Guys, you don't want to be told. You want to see with your eyes. Just come. Yeah, I am, right? This is my garden. A few months ago, I planted this stuff, these tomatoes you are seeing right now. I planted them because I needed it. But right now, what I'm seeing, I'm disappointed. I am not happy. Okay, guys, just look closer. Guys, you can see all these tomatoes on the floor. You can see it here in the garden. Like, I don't know what happened. Look at what this excessive heat here in the south, all this excessive heat and cold have done to my garden. I still can't believe this. Look, 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 look. I got lots of vegetables here in my garden. Guys, you guys can't believe that I used to have basil leaves. I used to have fever grass. I used to have all kinds of, all these leaves, but right now you can't even tell the difference. All you can see is just dried leaves. Okay, just look, they are all dried up. I've got lots of tomatoes here, lots of tomatoes, guys. Oh my goodness, just look. I told you guys that everything here in the south is beautiful except the heat. I told you guys that everything here in the south is amazing except this heat. Like, look at what the excessive heat and this excessive cold have done to my tomatoes. Guys, just take a look at this. Just take a look at this. Take a look at this. My feelings are hurt. I am so hurt. I am so disappointed. I'm not happy about this. But anyway, it happens. What can I do? Anyway, normally I used to just wake up in the morning, water it. Are you telling me that all that water, I've just wasted those water for nothing? Oh my goodness. Look at the basil. Like, for the basil, you can use it to cook. And what I normally do with my basil, I drink it as tea. It is good for digestion. Like, if you have digestion issue, go ahead and start consuming basil. I recommend it because I use it even if you find it difficult to sleep. Yes, right now I can't tell you, but because everything is dried up, you can't even know the difference. But I tell you, I used to drink that a lot, and oh my goodness, your girl is not happy because of what I'm seeing right now. All my tomatoes, they are all green, and what would I do with green tomatoes? I wanted them to be ripe. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, come along with me. Let me show you guys. Okay. I spend so much time in my garden. I spend so much water. Although I'm not complaining though. Yes, this is fever grass. For those of you that don't know what is fever grass is originally from Africa. They also have it in Asia and here in America. And in America they call it lemongrass. You can get it from Kroger. Okay, it's very medicinal. It is good for your body. I drink this a lot. I just cut it, warm it up, boil it and drink the water. It's good for you. I believe in consuming organic stuff. Okay, natural help. Okay, and for the look of things, if I ask you now, can you believe this was green from Africa? Guys, oh my goodness. Like, even me myself, I can't believe this was green. I used to have a whole lot of green here in my backyard. Like, guys, seriously. Okay, and then I got groundnuts here. These are groundnuts. If you are a farmer, you can tell that is a groundnut. I was so happy when they were coming up. I was so happy and I was so proud of myself. I'm like, I did a great job. Look at you, girl. So this is still the lemongrass. So lemongrass, I don't know if Europeans, they have it in Europe, but this you can see from Africa. Guys, it's very short now. I'm cutting it every morning. Sometimes I drink it in the morning, sometimes I drink it in the night. It's so good, it's so medicinal. So I recommend it. If you are always having cold, you are always having fever, drink it. Okay, it's good. Yeah, if you are that type that doesn't like to consume medication, okay, drink it. It's good. So let me show you guys. You know, this year I was thinking that I'll be eating jama jama with Ero. For those of you that don't know what is Ero is okazi. We the Nigerians we call it okazi. So guys, I'm disappointed right now. From what I'm seeing, I'm disappointed. Just a few weeks back, you could look at this place and see lots of jama jama, which is huckleberry. You know, that's the English name. But guys, what I'm seeing right now is just an empty bed. Just an empty bed, guys. And I can't believe this. Everything is dried up. It's dried up, okay? And this is not funny. It's not funny at all. I don't know. It's not funny. Anyway, it's okay. I'm hoping for another year, you know, so that we can plan a good one. So here, I was also hoping that, oh my goodness, like this one I made a very big mistake. Just 2 weeks ago, you needed to see this bird, okay? There was lots of water leaf, okay, to cook my arrow. But right now everything is dried up. Everything is dried up, guys. Can somebody tell me how powerful is cold and heat? Oh my goodness, I'm still not believing what I'm seeing. Can someone just tell me that this is true? Is this true? Because my hubby was like, oh, let's make some arrow. I said, no, let's wait. Whenever we have time, we'll do that. Guys, I waited, and guess what happened? Within 2 days, there was this excessive cold, consume everything. I was like, wow, what did I just do to myself? What did I just do to myself? Oh my goodness, I wasn't proud. Everything is just messed up right now. Just look, tomatoes everywhere. Tomatoes are just everywhere. See, lots of tomatoes, guys. So if you want some, you can come get some. But these are green tomato too. I don't know if there are anyone out there who love green tomato, but you know, I don't have a problem if you want some. But remember, I'm your girl. We are here to have fun. We are here to entertain. We are here to educate ourselves. We are here to pass out informative stuff. So guys, I'm still learning. I'm not a farmer, okay? I'm still learning. I'm not really good at this. So I just pray that every year, this is my 3rd year, I think. I'm just praying that every year I get better and better and better. Because sometimes I see some people, the way they will plant their farm, oh my goodness, they will do it like a professional. But I'm not a professional. I'm learning. So please, whatever you think, just keep it down, drop it down at the comment section below. Please remember to show me love. Give a thumbs up, share me out. Thank you guys. Keep watching the EGHE Show. Bye guys.